Yes, life is a mission, family. So, you know, this video today is all about, you know, my Monthend give back. And as you know, hear me say, I will be supporting Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale, you know, where I support them with whatever I can support them with. Buy a few cakes. I already have a few subscribers who reach out personally to them, you know. And then I have a subscriber who discovered that me and her come from the same area and stuff, and she reached out to me personally. And you know, so the cake sale will be the give back, where I give back to, you know, like my long time dear subscribers. But just before that, I'm going to show you a fail video of me trying to do the what, April give back. Because this give back is for me. A failed attempt of doing the April give back because of parents shying out, you know, and stop them kids blessing because them shy. But if I rub on the cream and run in front of CVM and TVJ, you know, in a demonstration for all kind of this boy and that the boy, you know, yeah, them would have run out. So I'm going to show you just before you see the video of the give back to my subscribers who is with me from day one. Big up all who just come, big up all who join after, you know. But these subscribers are subscribers that is close to me, friends, and you know, stuff like that, you know, who they were the first person who started to subscribe to the channel. And you know, you have to have a start before you have a finish. So me just use the support the cake sale and use the cake and the Malta to give back to these subscribers. Gratitude is a must. But as me say, I'm going to show you this clipping of the failed give back of the April Monthend when I'm supposed to give back to 2 students at the Dupan Primary School, and the parents shy out. You understand? Because them don't want to go on camera. Because it come like them just want to collect, and you know, and them know, so when them come, it help another student or two. So stay tuned for that. Welcome back, Life is a Mission family. What's up? We're on another mission today, and it's the Monthend mission, where the channel give back to a needy person and not a greedy person. As you can see here, people have 2 envelopes here. Life is a Mission TV, Life is a Mission TV, and in these 2 envelopes I have $10,000 each. You know, I am going to give back this month again to 2 students, and these 2 students is from the Dupan Primary School, right? So see, $10,000 again. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 $10,000. So this is $20,000 I am giving back from my little income that I have earned from YouTube for the month. And this is an initiative I took up that I want to give back to the needy and not the greedy. And it involves students, elderly people, you know, even young people has a chance also, but it have to can be proven that you're needy. You understand? Because you know, young people can fall upon hard times too, and on old people or whatsoever. And this initiative is a part, as me say, my give back. I give back from whatever I get at the end of the month as how I can give back. Because remember now, everybody has their own responsibility no matter what. So if I can give back to 1, I will give back to 1. If I can give back to 2, I give back to 2. It all depends. You have a few of my supporters who will come on board at times, just a little handful or less than a handful. Big up on yourself, respect on yourself, you know. But whether they come on board or not, because they are not obligated, but if they come on board and I can help 3, or if say for instance this month me only can help 1, with them come on board, I might can end up help the 2 same way, as well as I can help 3. That's all based on how the income is for the month. So big up on yourself, You know, the one and few of you people who reach out are not going to call any names. Not for you don't want your names to be called, you know. But it's just a handful. And as I said, the cash app is something that you people ask for to give me, right? You know, and I take a long while to put up a cash app or something where I can get a gift, or even put up my number for you for you to contact me if you don't use cash app or Zelle or Pell or whatsoever. So if you want to send it through some remittance service, Western Union, MoneyGram, whatsoever, you can reach out and contact me by the number you see, and then I can give you further details, right? And as I say, you asked for the cash app, and I said, okay, why turn down a good gesture like this for you people wanted to give me, because you just like me, because you know how I bring across things and dissect things and stuff like that, and you know I bring a little drama in it. I want to feel, don't get all a laugh sometimes, I want to feel sad and stuff like that. You understand? And I said, okay, I will do it, because what I can do, there's so many needy people out there who, you know, I can take that gift and give back to, instead of, you know, refuse it. But as I say, it's just a few people, but don't obligate it, because I'm not running a charity, and I'm not coming out here to ask you people for nothing. But at the end of the month, you will see something like this. No matter how small it is, you will see it. So anyway, who come on board and want to come on board, no problem, you're free to do so. The number is out there, and the cash app is there, pin life, $ life with Gabby, and let me say, now let I mix it up to the two of them pin in the comment section. In the comment section, the cash app pin down there, $ life is a mission TV. So I'm going on my way now to the Dupan Primary School to meet up with 2 parents. I asked the school to, you know, find 2 child that, you know, fit the criteria of the need, you know, can hardly find lunch money to come to school. Who knows it best but the teachers, because they have the registration that they mark on a daily basis, and they will hear the cry of the parents or the student. Mommy never have no lunch money to send me to school, or mommy might say, boy, parents me have it hard, teacher me have it hard, you know, because sometimes you can't find. So when you see I don't come to school, or you don't see me come to school or lunch money. So no better person to know the kids and the position they might be in more than the teacher. So I asked the school, and they asked me to write a letter, you know, stating what I really plan to do and stuff, so they can have it on file, because as you know, protocol have to follow, because the Ministry of Education is very strict on these things, and as you know, I can't, and the kids no money, so the parents will have to be there also. So too much talking, let's go on the way to the Dupan Primary School. This is it. Life is a mission, you know, TV. So stay tuned with my people. So my people, I am on my way now. This is Olympic Way. People, that is it. Reach to school, you know. So security check, you know. You go on the compound itself. Normally you park out here, so pick up your child or what's your, once you go on the compound you get a security check. So yes my people, as you can see, this is the Dupan Primary and Infant School. Yeah man, striving for excellence. Yeah. So I'm going in now. What's up, Life is a Mission? Welcome back, welcome back. As you know, today is the day for Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale. You know. So I just come pick up my order them and stuff and thing. So you don't know today the gift back as me they done explain to you, I make you know say, you know, this is my gift back for this month where you know I'm going to support the cake sale and just give back the cake randomly to some of my subscribers who have been subscribed to the channel, who I know, you know, back then them could have tell me everything when me drop cook vlog them when me do. Probably not now. I must want somebody right now can tell me say, well, boy, you can't deal with the woman so rare out of the lot, but you know, gratitude is a must, so I gotta pay my gratitude and my homage to them because they don't know you must have a start before you have a finish. You understand? And they were the one who was there with me from day one. So if me can give back, me give back. And then remember now, sweets not too agree with most people in our age and stuff like that, you know. So me just think of it and say, alright, give back something to the subscribers then. You know? Yes man, who they with me from day one in my surrounding and stuff. Big up to who come on board and make the thing bigger because that you call progress. So only just do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch the ads and continue to support Life is a Mission TV because this is what we are going to continue to do. Alright? So stay tuned. Alright my people, so this is a few of the cakes and see the rest here. Yeah man, and see the Malta them there. A few people choose red stripe like sorrel. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah man, rest right there. So stay tuned on the delivery. Yeah man, see the logo there, then say official something, you know? Gabby and Chevy, you know? Yeah man, shirt print and all then sitting there. Yeah man. So people, one of my subscribers also reach out. You know, them say sometimes small world, you know, because our sister, I think, yeah, run a restaurant, which is one of the little main restaurant around the place for breakfast in the morning and lunch in the evening. Yes man, and you know, she see the place and I said, but wait, about here so him come from, cannot where that, like she had, you know, she identify the place and stuff, right? She probably see that girl in the orange of your family them place. Sis, so me reach out to deliver your cake them, yeah, she reach out and support, you know. So me just have to deliver a cake them to our relative and stuff. Tiffin, am I? So stay tuned with people. We're right in the zone of Tower Hill. Welcome to Olympic Garden. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, see your niece here. See either the one, am I hide her face? Oh, your grand aunt? Okay. Alright. Yeah? See it there, people? Yeah, man. See, am I here? Yeah. Yeah, am I? Lord, no man, you not get enough mango already. You give enough mango already. One more you want. Don't come friend me up. Yeah, man, you can't take them up now. Yeah, man. You not get enough for there. Somebody when I get none want one of the mango now.
Yeah, a mango and a mango cheap, you know.
Yeah, but Paulette now buy none. So there you have it, guys. That's the first set. Alright. And as I say, that was a subscriber who reached out to support personally. Yeah, no. Yeah, so I just come deliver it to them relative. So we are come out of the hill now. I want to say Tower Hill people, we don't mean it's a hilly place. I know, not hill. I just the name of the place. Alright? So stay tuned. So yes my people, that's one more. Alright? Yeah man. Malta and a slice of cake. That is it. Stay tuned. Monthend give back. This is how I'm doing it. This year, support one thing and giving back to another. Bless up. Some people, me have one more of my subscriber, loyal subscriber from day one, you know. Life with Gabby and Chevy, see it there? Cake sale that I was telling you about. We don't promote nothing where fake or fraud, you know? Yeah, man. Because we name too good out there for we messed up with name. We don't associate with name with foolishness. No time. You understand? No time.
Check out my weed.
Yeah, my people. See it there? One more of my subscriber this. Yeah, man. See it there? Day one subscriber. Alright. Bless up. We're up on the chat again. Yes, my people. That's another one. You understand? One big old long time subscriber this, you know, people. Could have tell me one time every video when me drop. No, me no hear she tell me just a cuss her. I say, no, la me no hear say you watch this, you watch that. She used to watch all I cook one them and say, oh, me couldn't get some of your food. You couldn't give me a little. Watch her dead with laugh. See her body a jerk up, but she don't want her face going out. And then now she get involved in the mix up and I tell me how much people are going to diss me and people are going to that and Tara and you know, la me no hear she tell me say she watch her video. But gratitude is a must. She a part of the start. You understand? And you have to have a start, as I said, if you have a finish. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah. Come call it something. Yes, people. One of my subscribers, you know, as she, as one always hear me say, she own the cream shop. Yeah. No, well, she work here. Her sister own it. Yeah. You know? Yeah, remember the first cake review I did do, not last year, the year before. Our sister did get a review. Yeah, they're for them business this. When you come us up on Sunday, people, black, come take up the things then, man. Yes, people, so subscribe or giveaway. Alright, Monthend give back. Support Gabby Cake, Life with Gabby Cake sale, and I give back. Alright. Yes, my people, final give back, you know? Yeah, man. Long time subscriber, but a long time she don't watch a video. My question here today, when last you watch a video? My phone is dropping in water. Really. And see there she get all bonus. She get East Indian mango. Alright? Bless up. Nunji the Dan.